Most people think that young people are lazy. I used to think maybe they were right, but the more I look around, the more I realize something is being completely misunderstood. Let me ask you something. Do you remember being 18, 19, 20 years old and feeling like you had no idea what you were doing with your life? Like you wanted to change, you wanted to grow, but nobody ever sat down and actually showed you how. Now imagine feeling the same thing, but with your phone showing you every single day someone your age who's already successful, rich, already has it figured out. That's what young people today are dealing with. Not laziness, constant comparison every single day. And here is what most people don't fully see. A lot of young people are exhausted, not physically, but mentally. They smile, they joke around, they post online, but deep inside, they feel lost. And instead of someone reaching out a hand, they get called lazy, weak, soft. But what if they just need one person to believe in them? I know a guy, one of my friends. The reason I decided to record this video. He's 20, works hard, tries his best every day. But every time he tries to talk to someone older about his struggles, he just gets the same response. We had it harder, stop complaining. So, he stopped talking about it. He started dealing with everything alone. And slowly, he started giving up on himself. Not because he was lazy, because nobody ever told him he was capable. One sentence can do that. One conversation, one moment when someone older looks at a young person and says, I see you, I believe in you, I will help you, just keep going. You probably don't realize how much weight those words carry. But trust me, they can change the direction of someone's life. So if you're older than me and watching this video, I'm not here to blame you. I'm just here to ask you one thing. Next time you see a young person struggling in everything that you're working on, about your education, your business, company, workplace, everywhere, everything, every field. Don't judge first. Try to understand first. Because the reason many young people keep going is just simply because someone believed in them when nobody else did. Be that person.